Come on, hurry, Sayo. You've got to stop that penguin! What do we do now?
Oh, dear. What a mess. Oh, no, my cake. I guess I'll just have to start over. It's okay. It could have been worse.
Really? I'm so sorry about the mess we've made in your bakery. How can we make it up to you?
Oh, please don't worry. That one was just an experiment.
You sure?
I'm sorry.
I can't tell you how awful I feel about this whole thing. Isn't there something we can do?
As a matter of fact, there is. Here. This is a new recipe I was trying. Want to let me know what you think?
Yo, Kung Suri, what you drawing?
I'm making some fresh bread for the nice bakery lady.
If you ask me, it looks more like an apple.
It does? Well, that's perfect then. Because it's apple bread. Outside looks like normal, then inside is soft and sweet. Looks cool, huh? I invented it all by myself.
Sounds delicious. You just might be the best inventor of them all.
Yup. Can you help me make it? I want to try baking the apple bread.
Sure, I'd be happy to help. Unlike the troublemaking penguin. Abracadabra!
Whoa! Wow!
Presenting Chef Kung Suri! My magic oven cooks with a light bulb, so it's safe.
It's gonna be so good, everyone will want the recipe. There. Oh, it's my very first bread, and I already know it's gonna taste perfect.
Hey, after this, can we try making the perfect dance routine?
Like with special moves? One that's gonna make us look super awesome?
I'll do my own version of the Duck Duck Goose, the Duck Duck Owl.
Fist.
Bump.
How much longer is it gonna take?
We have 5 minutes left on the clock.
That long? Okay. 1, 2, skip a few, and 5. All done!
Oh, I don't know. Don't you think you better wait for the dinger?
Already got on my oven mitts.
It won't be very hot, but be careful not to drop it. Oh. Looks more like a pancake.
Yeah.
Maybe you took it out too soon.
Huh?
Yep, too soon. Nobody's gonna want that.
Huh? That's too bad. Maybe we missed an ingredient or something.
Oh, yeah. Now you're talking.
This should work. In it goes. And...
Stand back for the magic.
That means it's done. Ooh, let's see. It looks almost the same as the last one.
Third time's a charm?
Huh?
I don't get it. Oh, no wonder it's flat. We forgot to put in the yeast.
Yeast? Where's that? This one? Sayo, this is the magic we've been missing. Let's put in lots to make it huge.
Yeah, what could go wrong?
Shake, 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 shake.
This time it'll turn out totally different.
Now the hard part.
Big, bigger, biggest.
Oh,
Oh.
please, come on.
Wow, would you look at that? Oh, I hope it tastes just like it smells.
I ruined it again. It's just too hard. Ovens are mean. Sayo! You okay? Say something.
It's real bouncy, and it does taste pretty good. Maybe we could try one more time.
Huh? Really? Okay, this time we'll get it right.
It's time for baking, baking with Sayo. Yahoo! First thing you do, massage the dough, then roll it up to make the shape. When you're all done, it's time to bake. In the oven, baking time. Yo, Kong Suni. Yo, Sayo. Aren't you glad we're kitchen friends? Always having so much fun. Kneading dough, baking bread, always best of friends. Yeah! It's time for baking, baking with Sayo. Yahoo! First thing you do, massage the dough, put it inside, and watch it rise. It smells so good, so wonderful. Now it's time for us to eat.
Huh? Sorry. Who's this from? Oh, right, that little girl. Huh. I've got competition. She did this by herself?
Our secret ingredient? Magic.
Who just said that? Is somebody there?
Hello? Oh, hi. No problem.
I made you something.
Oh, sure, nothing
See what
new.
I drew?
Yeah. Right?
I'm gonna be
No
an artist
surprise.
just like you, Mommy. The teacher gave me a gold star.
That's good. Super. Yeah, I think you're going to love my new sketches. I know.
It's a space
Let me
bike.
send
See,
you my
Mommy? Through marshmallow clouds to the moon and back in time for supper. Zoom!
Kong Suni, go have an ice cream. I need to talk here. Sorry, where were we? Yes? Right. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to have them all.
An astronaut needs extra energy.
Remember the rule? 1 treat a day, that's all you need.
Space days?
No, 1 treat per Earth day. You don't want a tummy ache, do you, my little astronaut? You know what? You can't fly if you're sick. Out of air? Control center to Kong Suni.
I was just checking on supplies to make sure there was, enough for tomorrow's flight.
Then go tidy up your room before takeoff. Can you handle that?
Yes, Commander. I was just trying to help. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Mommy will get more supplies for your friends. I'll clean up here. You go clean up your room, okay, Kong Suni?
I want ice cream now. How can I make tomorrow come faster? Huh? What do I do? Oh, Eve and Sam. I'll ask the commander if I can play with them. I should show them my space bike. They'll want to try it. We can go on an adventure. I better start planning because we're going to need to pack. Yeah! Lots of space snacks. I can't have any more, but that doesn't mean my friends can't.
And in what might be the weirdest story of the week, reports of a pink owl have flooded into the station today. It's been spotted dancing and singing at a number of local concerts in the area recently. Hopefully someone can get a picture of this critter. If you see this feathered flapper, you're asked to please call the station at 1...
Hello? Hi, how are you? No kidding, huh? Yeah, for sure. Just let me go to my office and check, okay? Yeah, it's going around. Ditto. All right, I'm looking at it.
Look! Up there! The one from the news! Catch him! Catch him! Boost me up! Yeah! Grab it! We'll be famous!
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Especially me. One for day, one of every flavor.
I love ice cream. Any kind of ice cream. Ice cream. Chocolate
Huh?
milk, and so is apple spice, but no ice cream beats pistachio. I love it. Not my best performance, I'll admit, but hey, you got a private concert.
Wait, you can talk?
Yep, that's right. I'm a talking owl. Sometimes I feel like the other birds don't understand me.
I have the same problem.
Quick! Over here!
Huh?
Come on!
Oh.
Think of the reward! Better be!
Hear that? They want to catch me and become famous. Oh, that was close. It won't be that easy, humans.
Kongsuni?
It's Mom.
What? Hey, wait! Shh. Okay.
There.
So what's with all the noise? Everything okay?
Yeah. Sure.
Chloe just fell asleep, so... Shh. Exactly. Keep it down.
Two.
Huh. That's my good girl. I'll make you lunch for the park.
Yay?
Two close calls. What a day.
I know, right? So how come you're being chased?
'Cause I'm special, you know, what with the talking and all.
That's it?
I am a very special bird. No other bird is like me. I can talk and I can sing. I like to rap too. Yeah.
Wait, should I be asking for your autograph?
Might be valuable someday. I am the best bird rapper. Listen while I tell you my story.
Hold it.
Go.
Hey, have you eaten anything lately?
Come to think of it, I am a little peckish. I'm in. What you got?
Here, you can have my ice cream, but you better hurry up before it melts.
Hang on. I have a better idea.
Huh?
Nope. What is that?
Huh?
Okay, there we go. Nope. What is that? Who needs a wrench? Okay. Yep. Nope. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect. This is great.
You like it?
It's perfect. Want to be best friends?
You know it. Let's celebrate. Birds of a feather. We gotta stick together forever, yo.
My name's Konsuni. I'll call you Seo.
Seo? My first name ever. I like it.
We can do everything together. Like singing, dancing, exploring, adventures, and stuff.
I'm in. Check it. Yo, now my name is Seo, the very first bird rapper. Now I have a new best friend like you. Yo, we can have fun all day. Sing, dance, laugh, say yo. So you picking up what I'm putting down?
Konsuni, time for the park.
Mom's calling me. I better go get ready.
Huh? Oh.
Sometimes I think this thing eats her socks.